Retaliatory firing by the Indian Army in response to ceasefire violations from across the line of control killed 11 Pakistan Army soldiers yesterday and injured another 16. According to media reports, 3 Pakistan Army Special Service Group SSG commandos were among those killed. Pakistan Foreign Office has summoned an Indian diplomat today to discuss the LOC incident. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) observed the 131st birth anniversary of first Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at Congress Bhavan located at PT Park in Imphal today. PCC President Morankam Okendro, CLP leader O. Ibobi, former Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar and a host of Congress workers attended the event. India has reported 45,343 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. The total caseload now stands at 87,73,479. The country's death toll has mounted to 1,29,225, the report said. Delhi recorded a spike of 7,802 COVID-19 cases yesterday, taking its infection tally to over 4,74,830, while 91 more fatalities pushed the national capital's death toll to 7,423. The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has appointed the party's national vice president Baijayant Panda as in charge of Assam, while the party's national spokesperson Sambit Patra has been given the charge of Manipur, according to a report. On the auspicious occasion of Diwali, the Festival of Lights, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand Singh has extended greetings to the people of Manipur, particularly the Hindu community. In his message, Khemchand stated that the festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, right over wrong, good over evil, hope over despair, an awakening which brings compassion and the awareness of oneness of all things. Leaders across the political spectrum, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and civil society organizations and people from several quarters, have extended Diwali greetings to the people. Luang Thangta Academy today celebrated Children's Day at the Kurai Kompal Sajur Lekai Community Hall. Social worker L. Jayanda Meitei, Huyen Lalong Thangta Association President H. Prem Kumar and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam President Addison Namairakpam also attended the celebration. BJP Manipur Pradesh Medical Cell organized a one-day free health checkup to mark World Diabetes Day at the party office at Kaishampat today. 43 Assam Rifles More Battalion distributed sweets, edibles and gift items to the children at Jehovah Jireh Children's Home today to mark the Children's Day and Diwali. Major Bharat was also present during the distribution. The Bru refugees staying at relief camps in North Tripura district have demanded permanent residential and scheduled tribe certificates during the ongoing process of the resettlement in Tripura. The Tripura government has already started the process for rehabilitating 33,000 displaced Brus from neighboring Mizoram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrated Diwali with Indian Army soldiers in Jaisalmer today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached the Jaisalmer border post to celebrate the festival of Diwali with Jawans this morning in an Air Force's special aircraft at Jaisalmer's Air Force Airport.